Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the centripetal acceleration. What is the centripetal acceleration? In a circular motion, the direction of the velocity is constantly changing at each point. The change in velocity of the body produces centripetal acceleration that directing toward the center of circle. Such acceleration, known as centripetal acceleration, that is denoted by a C. Now we discuss the centripetal force in circular motion. First we discuss the centripetal acceleration. Now we discuss the centripetal force. The centripetal acceleration is produced by an external force which constantly changing the direction of rotating object. This force is responsible for accelerating an object toward the center. This force is known as centripetal force. The centripetal force will always act perpendicular to the tangential velocity. This is how the force is able to continuously alter the direction of the object toward the center. That is all about the centripetal force. Now we discuss the centrifugal force. What is the centrifugal force? Centrifugal force is a pseudo force experienced by an object move along a curved path. The direction of centrifugal force is outward from the center of the rotation. The direction of the force act outward from the center of rotation. The centrifugal force act simply as a reaction to the centripetal force. The centrifugal force is equal to the magnitude of the centripetal force but act in the opposite direction. That is all about the centrifugal force.